Today we're unboxing this. This is the Panasonic G85. Let's do it. Howdy folks, this is Shane. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and also click that little bell and you'll get notifications anytime I upload a new video. So you might be asking, why did you buy a G85 from Panasonic in late November of 2018? It's a great camera. I'm actually shooting with one right now, and my B cam for today is the GH5, which I also love. The video quality on the G85 is so close to the GH5 in many ways, and the stabilizer is great. Usually I'd be using this as the B cam, but today I'm using it as my main cam. We'll see if the face detection autofocus actually works. I don't normally use it, so fingers crossed. So we're gonna do an unboxing, and we're gonna see what's in the box, so let's do it. All right, let's get into it. So here's the box, and it gives you all the specs and stats. As you can see back here too, I've got the Panasonic FZ or FZ2500. I did a comparison video between both of these. This is still a really great camera. I just found this a little more versatile in some ways, even though this is a really versatile camera too. I'll put a link up in the cards up here somewhere, and you can check out that video if it interests you. So let's do the unboxing. Now they had $400 cash back on this and a free lens. I guess because Panasonic will be releasing their newer full frame cameras soon, they might be sort of blowing a few of these out. Now these aren't the newest cameras in the world, but they're great. I really love them, and having a comparison or direct comparison with the GH5, there's not a lot of difference in picture quality, at least in my opinion. There's all that 10-bit and 4K 60 and all that this doesn't do, but overall it does a really great job. So let's open this up and check it out. First thing we get is the camera. Ooh, it feels good. Let's just take this out. We'll come back to it in a moment. We get another one of these straps. Cool. I should probably at least put one of them on one day. I never use them. They're all in their plastic still. We get the power and USB cable. Exciting stuff. Battery. And the actual charger for the battery. One of the best things about this deal is it also came with a free lens. How great is this? It comes with one of these. This is the 12-60 kit lens. I really love this lens. It's super sharp, and I use it all the time across the majority of my channels. Even though right now I'm shooting with the 25mm 1.7. These are the Panasonic lenses. I think these are just really great lenses as well. The zoom range is great. And we'll take a little bit of a look at this. So there it is. So I now have two of these lenses, as you can see. And I also have two 25mm 1.7 lenses as well, which is awesome. That's the exact combination of stuff I needed to get what I do done. I really didn't want to wait for the full frame cameras, and to get a bargain like this and already know what kind of results I get from the cameras was reason enough for me to invest in one more, at least while they're still around. So I thought, you know what, I'll get one, especially for that bargain price, and to get another lens as well, which is always a really good thing. So right now, I'll probably won't use that just for a little while, but let's take a look at the camera, because that's the main thing. And yes, for those wondering, I'm using the GH5 autofocus as well with a 25mm 1.7 lens. So that's what you're gonna get. So looks a little dusty. This was brand new. I made sure of that, and yeah, let's make sure that it actually works. I haven't actually turned it on or anything yet, and it's a, you know, if it doesn't work, at least you guys will get to sort of share in the experience and frustration of me probably not being able to sleep for the next 24 hours or 12 hours until I can take it back. So I've never had a problem with the Panasonic camera, so yeah, it works fine. So we are good to go. One of the things I love about the G85 just straight away is its form factor. It's nice and small, it's nice and light. Traveling with my G85 recently, it was just a great experience. It was easy to hold all day. I also did some traveling with my GH5, and I actually prefer the G85's form factor. I think the GH5 feels a little bit better in the hand, but it's heavier and bulkier. The fact that it's nice and small, takes great photos. The 4K video is just phenomenal as well. Slight crop factor, but nothing too drastic. Takes great photos. I love the 4K photo mode as well. Everything about it's pretty cool. I might put together a video coming up about my top 10 things I love about the Panasonic G85. For those who are unaware of most of my videos, I shoot with at least 3 to 4 cameras every single video I shoot. So for me, having matching sensors, matching color profiles, and all that kind of stuff is really handy. It saves a lot of post-production, and I love the Cine V format on these cameras. I think it looks stunning. I don't grade Vlog or anything like that. I just use, sometimes I use Cine D and then grade it, but Cine V for me on these is just a great profile, and it saves doing any post-production. It just looks really, really great. So now I guess I've got 4 Panasonic cameras, 2 G85s, a GH5, and the FZ2500. I still plan on keeping this. I have an older Sony 4K video camera here as well. I used to have 2 of these. I sold one and got the Panasonic, and I realized, in my opinion, how much better it was. And then I started with the GH5, and I loved it. And I wanted something very similar. And once I tried the G85, I was like, for my needs, just for what I do, I probably could have bought 2 of these instead of the GH5. The GH5 is phenomenal. I love a lot of the stuff that's, you know, built into the camera in terms of its features, but for what I shoot on the majority of my videos, 4K 25p or 30 if you're overseas is all I really need. I don't need 4K 60. The 10-bit is also really awesome too on the GH5, but overall these do exceptionally well. So what's the future for the Sony AX53? Am I going to keep it? Probably not. I do like what it does, but I think it's kind of a little redundant now with my current setup. These are just smaller and lighter, and probably a better all-round camera for traveling. The Handycam is great, I gotta say. It does have a lot of strengths. I may review it before I sell it, but overall I think between the 2 G85s, the FZ2500, and the GH5, I've pretty much got everything I need covered. Thanks for watching, guys. My name's Shane. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. If you have any questions about any of the cameras in this video, please let me know. If you already have a G85, let me know your thoughts about it as well in the comments. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you soon. See ya.